Welcome to the Mount Finlayson and Jakle's Lagoon Loop, one of the best hikes and most scenic trails on San Juan Island in the northwest corner of Washington state. San Juan Island is known for lots of expansive views, meandering waterline paths, quiet forest strolls, and well-maintained trails. You'll find short historic walks, lighthouse excursions, quirky monuments. This is the Afterglow Vista, also known as the McMillan Mausoleum, and even a few substantial hill climbs. San Juan Island, part of the larger San Juan Islands archipelago, is tucked away between mainland Washington state and British Columbia's Vancouver Island. Most people arrive to the island via a lovely ferry ride from Anacortes to Friday Harbor, the island's main town. Thanks to its location in the rain shadow of the Olympic Mountains, it's a great place for hiking or trail running, even in winter when much of the rest of the state is rainy or buried in snow. We were here on a cold and gray day in December, hence the heavy winter puffer jacket. The main parking area for the trail system is on the north side of the Cattle Point Road in the American Camp portion of the San Juan Island National Historic Park on the southeast tip of the island. The small gravel parking lot is signed for Jakle's Lagoon. Parking is free, but there are no services here. You can go either clockwise and northeast down toward a series of lagoons, or counterclockwise and southeast up toward the summit. We opted to head up toward the summit. You'll begin climbing gently just above the Cattle Point Road through open grasslands on the edge of a forest. Except for a short switchback section, the climb is mostly gentle, occasionally winding through the edge of the trees before opening up again to the expansive views. The Strait of Juan de Fuca is the open waterway to the south, and if you happen to be there on a clear day, we were not, you'll get views of the Olympic Mountains across the Strait of Juan de Fuca and of the Cascade Mountains to the east. Near the top, you'll see a junction into the trees and down toward the lagoons. Before you take the junction, I recommend continuing on all the way up to the summit for the best views. And if you're up for a longer hike, you can continue heading southeast from the high point toward the Cattle Point Lighthouse area. Or like us, if you want to head toward the lagoons, backtrack a short distance down from the summit to the junction. Here, the environment changes substantially from open grassland to a lush forest. This portion of the trail is not especially technical, but it can be slick and uneven. It also drops quite substantially, so if your knees are a little finicky, hiking poles might be a good idea. The woodland environment and quiet shoreline glimpses are a lovely contrast to the windswept, expansive views from the first half of the trail. The trail here is generally smooth and rolling, with occasional spur trails to explore the lagoons and the water's edge to the north. Staying on the main loop, you'll continue winding through the forest before heading up a short but rather steep pitch to the parking area. Whether you go for a quick out and back, a short loop, or a longer hike, Mount Finlayson is a perfect trail to experience the variety of environments and stunning views that San Juan Island has to offer. If you're looking for more trails on San Juan Island, check out our Young Hill with English Camp and Bell Point video or our San Juan Island playlist.